Hi everyone, my name is D. Sandeep and today I am going to show presentation of generation of computers. And now seeing the first slide history of computers. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to automatically carry out sequence of arithmetic operations and logical operations. It was created by Charles Babbage, who was considered as the father of the computer. Now moving to the next slide, you can see the types of generation. First generation, which is taking place in the year 1951. The second generation 1959 to 63, third is 64 to 79, fourth is 80 to 88, fifth is 89 to now present day. I think the first generation, it used vacuum tubes for security purpose and magnetic drums for memory and were often enormous and taking up entire rooms. In this first generation computers were very huge in size and they consume high energy. Important one of them UNIVAC and NEA computers. And moving on and now seeing the pictures, this is the vacuum tube. Moving on to the second generation, it used transistors and it replaced vacuum tubes, allowing computers to become small in size. And these were like energy efficient and consume less energy and release less heat. And now the important one are COBOL and Fortran, and these were high level programming languages. And this is some images and this is a transistor. And the next one is third generation. Integrated circuits were used in this generation. In this generation, computers were first big time because in generation computers became first time accessible to mass audience because they were less cost and they release less energy and they use less energy. And these are some pictures and this is third generation computer. And moving on to the fourth generation, in this generation microprocessors are used and in this generation the computer may fit into palm of an hand. An important one are the GUIs, the mouse and the handheld devices. Then this led to the development of the fourth generation. And this is some images. In the last but not the least generation, fifth generation. And these are based on artificial intelligence and still in development. So there are some applications such as voice recognition that are being used today. And the goal of fifth generation computing is to develop devices that respond to natural language input. This is the latest computer and this computer that is generally used. Thank you.